First thing first, use residue products underneath the lace, wet where the residue is at, and you just clean that off. Going in with Bay. This is their moisturizing super shine moisturizing cream. It's a hydrant. My Fillet B, rejuvenating moisture repair for all hair types. Jojoba lavender on my scalp. The wigs come with a band, and then it has adjustable straps on the inside. I hook it into the middle.
Move my body.
Concealer. Don't judge my palette. This is the shade I'm gonna be using.
Move my body.
You see the difference? Do this real close. Make sure there's no hair in the way of the closure. Yeah, make sure there's no hair in the way. Again, just going over it. I need maximum uncloggable. That's what. See? No glue, no nothing. Lace down, no hair in the way. Pull this back. Amika Headstrong. This, one thing you always find in my bag, Amika Headstrong hairspray. Show you just how good this product works. I'm just gonna spray that right. Fan it with your hands.
Move my body. 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 Move my body.